swapping out the DC to DC converter. I didn't do this. This was already in the back seat, so they probably been chasing this problem, but it's down here under the battery energizer control module. Wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad. I know electrical stuff scare everybody, but if you're like detail oriented, you can get this shit out no problem. It's really just taking the covers down, taking that panel out the back, and remembering what you disconnected at the end of the day. But yep, Friday, this is how my Friday going. Electrical stuff. It's a 2020 Fusion hybrid. Back to it.